Hello, Otto here from Running the Car Alarm Company. Just come out to put the emergency override code in on an Audi Q8. Customer's forgotten his push sequence, so we actually gave him a 4-digit emergency override code when we first fitted it, and the code here is 6192. And the way we insert that is turn the start button on. Okay, use one of the buttons on the network 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait for 3 seconds. Second code 1. Wait for 3 seconds. Third code after 3 seconds 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the last number is 2. 1, 2, and we will hear this. There's our 3 bleeps. System is now disarmed. Let's turn off the start button. And now we turn the start button back on. We'll get a long turn at default, ready to learn the new push sequence. There's our long tone. Wait for the long tone to finish, then hit one of the buttons on the network 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn the start button off and then back onto main ignition. There's our 5 bleeps. We're now in learn mode for the new push sequence. So any button that we touch, if it gives us a bleep, we can use it. On this particular car, the Audi steering wheel buttons are a bit slow. See, there's a slight delay. I don't know what that push sequence is, but it's going to give me a confirmation to say it's learnt that push sequence, and it's going to give us this bleep. There you go, but I don't know what that is, so we're going to confirm it. So if the push sequence is different, the first one is different to the second, we will get this. So listen. Okay, so let's begin again. So we're just going to go, just for video purposes, wait for our double bleep of confirmation. And then confirm it again. So if the first push sequence, learn push, is the same as the second, we will get this. Now learn, so if we turn it off, wait for it to set, start the vehicle up, vehicle starts, insert the new code. Wait for a disarm melody, there you go, and then drive away. On some vehicles, the service button, which refers to the manual, will either be one of the push buttons that you've used for the sequence, or there'll be a hidden valet button, but the customer will inform, the installer will inform you of that on the day of fitment. But as I said, this is how you place the emergency override code on a Starline R96 Pro Immobiliser. Give us a call, 0289060478, 0289060478. Thank you for watching, bye bye.